sale, so we are doing a shopping haul from Urbanic. All the products that I bought were at least a month ago and I am shooting it right now. Now from Urbanic I have already shopped once or twice before and I really liked the products, so I gave another try, and again I really love all the purchases that I made in this haul and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So I'll start the haul with the upper wear that I got, the tops. The first thing that I got is this shirt. It's a floral shirt and I really love this. I think this was the best buy from the whole haul. So it's this beautiful floral shirts which has such a nice print on it and बहुत ज़्यादा colorful है दिखने में. Also the material is really soft and really like nice. So I'll tell you the prices and everything. So this I got for 1272 rupees and the size that I bought was a medium size. So if you're someone like me, तो आप अपने लिए medium size खरीद सकते हैं. And the material is polyester. And also इसका कपड़ा काफी पतला है, yet there is no need for lining. It's not transparent, so I got this. This looked beautiful with the jeans. So this is like a perfect casual evening wear. It's got this beautiful neck design and same design इसके sleeves पे भी है. So this looks beautiful. I will show you another top which is similar to this, which is this floral top. I don't know why I really loved the floral prints this time and I bought both of them. This looks like this. This has a knot in front. मैंने ठीक से बांधा नहीं है, but this is how it looks. The print is very similar to the first one, but this is not a shirt, it's a top. There are no buttons on it. Also the sleeves are completely different. I got it for 678 rupees. Also it was in a large size. इसके front side पे you can tie a knot and it looks beautiful with the simple jeans. I really liked it. इसका भी material is polyester. Both of them are the same material. This is how it looks from the front and the back is completely simple. And I got these tops. Is mindset say that I'll be wearing in the office and this is perfect office material, and also you can wear it in casual evenings, but मेरे लिए it's more of a office thing. I got just 2 tops from Urbanic this time, and also the next thing that I got is workout wear. Now Urbanic से मैंने workout wear I don't remember कि लिया है, and this is not me, but I went for a like slightly a body hugging type of outfit this time. Usually I'm really conscious with my body, but I don't know, I really loved what I saw on the side and I bought this. It's basically a cord set. Now it's a simple jumpsuit which looks like this. This is the top wear, which is a crop top sort of a thing, and this is the bottom wear. Not just the waist but the whole material is stretchable. Now this was available in various colors like burgundy, which I got. Then there's red, grey, mint, black. Now the material they have used is nylon and I bought this in large size, and I won't say that it's tight because it's comfortable for me, but it looks really body hugging, so it's completely your choice if you want to go for it. I loved it, so I got it for me because I never bought a complete set of gym wear for me, so I got it, and its price was 933 rupees. Now the next piece that I got is this tie and dye quad set. Iska material they have written polyester on the website, and this is how it looks. I have never bought a tie and dye, but I've seen lots of pictures on Instagram with this tie and dye. I really love the style. I was thinking to go for a trouser in this color, but वो मैंने भी नहीं लिया है. I just got this t-shirt and it comes with this stretchy short. This is a bit oversized, which I really love because ये मैंने घर पे पहनने के लिए लिया है. It looks beautiful and aesthetic type का look देता है बहुत ज़्यादा. And it's a dropped shoulder sleeve. That's why ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ कंधों से गिरता सा है. But it looks really cool, so I bought this. So I bought these 4 clothing items. Apart from these, I also wanted to try some jewelry from Urbanic, which I did this time because the price was really low, so I wanted to try it. I got I think 2-3 pairs of it. I'll show you guys. Now first of all, this jewelry that I bought is non-returnable. I bought 4 of them and I not really like, I think 2 of them, but I was not able to return because वो पहले से लिखा होता that it's a non-returnable thing. So anyway, it comes in these type of pouches. This one I like. Now this is how it looks. ये एक leafy type का pendant है. The material is not that good. Although शायद कैमरे में देख के इतना समझ में नहीं आएगा, मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आया था पिक्चर्स में देख के, बट इसका जो मटेरियल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही सॉफ्ट है. मतलब थोड़ा सा ऐसे हल्का सा भी मोड़ा तो ये मटेरियल मुड़ जाने वाला है. Now this was for 99 rupees. See 99 rupees के लिए it's worth it, क्योंकि आप ड्रेस के साथ तो इसे डाल ही सकते हो. So I'm not sure. I think you'll have to wear this like this. ये I think अगर थोड़ा सा deep neck भी होगा ना तो उसके साथ अच्छा लगेगा. So these 2 leaves looks like this. दिखने से नहीं पता चलेगा कि कितनी पतली ज्वेलरी है. The style is nice. I liked it क्योंकि अगर आप कुछ deep neck पहन रहे हो तो उसके साथ में it will look good. ये वाला ड्रेस इतना डीप नहीं है तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऊंचा करके पहनना पड़ रहा है ये. So yeah, that's how it looks. Now I got one more necklace. This looks like this. That was silver. This is gold. So this is how it looks. इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगेन क्योंकि काफ़ी बड़ा है, इसका जो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी ये शेल वाली, ये पीछे की तरफ चली गई है. एंड इसके शेल्स जो हैं ये ऐसे पीछे से हॉलो से हैं तो अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे, ऐसे ही अच्छा लगेगा. आई थिंक यहाँ पे भी एक होना चाहिए ना, यहाँ पे एक होना. आई थिंक ये इतना ज़्यादा पीछे होने के बजाय ना, ये मुझे लगता है इसमें से एक शेल मिसिंग है, बिकॉज बाकी सब में इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है. यहाँ से एक शेल मिसिंग है. मैं इस लास्ट वाले शेल को निकाल के ना आगे कर देती हूँ क्योंकि एनीवे भी ये शेल नज़र नहीं आ रहा है. सो आई डिड दैट. मैंने इस वाले बीड को लास्ट से निकाल के यहाँ लगा दिया क्योंकि एनीवे भी इतना ही दिखने वाला है. सो नाउ इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. दिस इज अ लेयर्ड नेकलेस. सो दीज आर लाइक 2 chains. Oh, how beautiful is this? So this I got for 163 rupees and I did not know, मुझे अभी पता चला है that it's like a 2-piece thing. मतलब you can either layer it on each other or you can wear it अकेले. मतलब if you're not feeling like wearing something heavy, you can simply wear this. So this is how it looks. Layering के बिना जिसे इसे हटा देंगे तो it will look like this. And after we wear this also, this is how it's gonna look. It's beautiful. I love this. I think बाकी दोनों से बेटर मुझे, तीनों से I think 2 या 3 जितने मैंने लिए हैं उनसे बेटर मुझे ये वाला ज्वेलरी लगा. This piece is really beautiful. I also got one pair of earrings for me. These heart earrings. मैंने जो करंटली पहना हुआ है ना अभी ये वाला भी somewhat वैसा ही है. It's just कि this is leaf and that's a heart. So that's how they look. Nice. I like those. So that's all from Urbanic. I love this jewelry, this one, clothing items that I got. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more haul videos. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.